So the plan today is me and Muli, my friend from the hotel, we're going to go get some traditional Kosovan goulash. I don't feel fantastic, I'll be honest with you. Thus the kind of Coke. I've also got some groceries in my bag just in case the whole plan goes tits up. Goulash, traditional. It was nice actually. Yesterday, me, Muli and Tony stopped up, had a few beers last night, talking about just what it's like here in Kosovo and saying how there's too much emphasis put on America and the UK and Germany. And they're telling me I have to go to Albania. So Albania is now on the list of places to go. And it's interesting because the conversation we had emphasised just how strange and difficult and tense the situation in Mitrovica, which I'm pronouncing wrong, how tense that situation is with all those, you cross the river and there's all those Serbian flags, go to the top of that fortress and it's a big Serbian flag flying. There is peace here and life and normality, but there is some tenseness around certain parts. I can definitely feel that. I mean, I've read about it, but when you see it, I mean, there's an Albanian flag over there. A lot more Albanian flags here than there are Kosovo flags, which says a lot, I think. But some traditional goulash. I don't know when we're going or where we're going. I'm excited about it. That, and I need to find out a way to get to the airport tomorrow. Yeah, last day in Kosovo, doing some traditional Kosovo stuff. That's what we want. And I'll show you around the hotel a little bit as well. It was built in 2002. It's due a big renovation, so they say. But it's nice. I've enjoyed the hotel. It's been fun. It's very quirky. Let's put it that way. It's been good. And the people who run it, Tony and Muli, have just been really great. Really kind, nice people. Most people I've found, in general in life, right? Just kind and nice. Even if everything in Kosovo is uphill and in 30 degrees. Jeez. Whew. This might be the thickest espresso I've ever had in my entire life. It's like treacle. It's brilliant. My God, it's like liquid crack. Yeah. Ooh, fuck. It's so hot. Jeez. Thank you so much for taking me.
Yeah,
thank you.
It's okay, bro. You're a friend.
Off to go get goulash, or some equivalent, I imagine. Join me for some real Kosovo food. I just bought jeans. It's the wrong thing to wear.
Shorts?
No, wrong thing to wear.
Okay.
It's like, yeah, so
Albania,
yeah. I was looking, I was like, yeah.
For hot, it's
yeah,
good.
I want to go, yeah.
Yeah, go.
Be good.
You can go to UC and it's so good, bro.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, come here.
You have to order
Yeah,
from me.
yeah, we can take here. Çavone. E kumprush musafirin në hotelit. Yeah, so you can take bread and you can here, yeah. Oh, and fork and knife. No, you want mix goulash with pasul.
Yes.
Bënja një mix goulash me pasul. Edhe mu bëma njëjt. Bëna edhe mu një goulash me pasul dëve qështu. Ma shumë I qitë në isa veç rënulla. Goulash me pasul, a qitë? Valla që ka që. Ne ona I cilë mirë, që dhe ajë të të të?
Po, ja si tu veç ashtu.
Po, czekaj, A, super.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bro.
I think I need a spoon. Traditional goulash. Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
That's
my
very,
bro.
very kind.
Yeah, this salad is for you.
Ah. Spoon.
Yeah.
So what was this exactly?
Goulash
And-
with pasud.
Gotcha.
Two.
Two things.
They are, yeah, two. Yeah, two things.
Wow. Yes. That is so nice. It's really good. It's like
Yeah, it's good, bro.
it's so nice.
Yeah.
It's really
Oh,
good.
I forgot spoon. What?
It's really good. It's got potatoes and lamb, I think. Traditional Kosovo Coke. Some bread. Some salad, which, let's face it, I'm probably not going to eat. Gosh, it's thick and tasty and delicious and meaty, and one of the only hot meals I've had since I've been here. It's really good. Really, really nice.
You like?
It's so good. So lots of people in Kosovo would eat this goulash.
Yeah. I'm eating 2 times a week.
Yeah,
This
Yeah.
goulash and pasud because it's
filling.
too good for body. For
Yeah,
Oh.
yes.
yeah.
Not every day.
Every day, no.
Full, yes.
It's good. Pasud goulash.
It's good. Very, very good. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm so full. Really good. I'm just saying, I'm very full and it was very good.
Yeah.
I go for a nap. I'll just quickly show you the hotel. So we have chandeliers. All this is getting renovated. Big dining room. Normally really busy here. I was talking to Muli. They have lots of bookings, people from all around, from Ukraine, from Russia, lots of places, from Albania, all coming here. Because there's a swimming pool in this hotel, which makes it nice because obviously Kosovo has no water. Well, it's got lakes and rivers, but it's got no sea. But it's very busy. You still see me? It's very dark. So that's it from Kosovo, from Pristina. I loved it, it's fantastic. If you get a chance to come here, I highly recommend your next city break you consider going to Kosovo. I had a great time, lots of coffee, police with little to no follow through, that was pretty useful. Yeah, it's great. If you want more videos from me, then stick around, and around on this channel I'll be making more videos, going more places. Thanks for following my journeys in Kosovo. It's been really good. And until the next place, which will be pretty soon, I'll see you then. Bye everyone, and thanks for watching.